Brighten your smile. Natural remedies for dark smokers' lips. Dark smokers' lips can be a concern for many. But did you know there are natural remedies to help brighten them? Let's dive into some effective, easy-to-follow methods to restore your lips' natural color. First, exfoliation is key. Gently exfoliating your lips can remove dead skin cells and improve circulation. You can use a homemade scrub with sugar and honey for this purpose. Simply mix and apply. Honey acts as a natural moisturizer and has healing properties. Applying a thin layer of honey on your lips daily can soften them and gradually reduce darkness. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing. Lemon juice is known for its natural bleaching properties. Mix lemon juice with a bit of glycerin and apply it to your lips before bed. Wash it off in the morning. This can lighten the pigment over time. Rose petals not only smell great, but also help in lightening dark lips. Crush some fresh rose petals and mix with a little milk. Apply this paste to your lips for a natural pink tint and hydration. Another effective remedy is beetroot. Beetroot juice has natural bleaching agents. Simply rub a slice of beetroot on your lips or apply the juice. This can leave a reddish tint and gradually lighten dark lips. Aloe vera is a miracle plant with numerous benefits. Applying fresh aloe vera gel can soothe and heal your lips, reducing pigmentation. Leave the gel on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Cucumber slices are refreshing and hydrating. Gently rub a slice of cucumber on your lips for a few minutes daily. Its natural bleaching properties can help reduce darkness and keep your lips hydrated. Pomegranate seeds are packed with nutrients. Crush them and mix with a bit of milk cream. Apply the paste to your lips. This can help in restoring their natural color and hydration. Coconut oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. Apply a few drops of extra virgin coconut oil to your lips daily. It not only moisturizes, but also helps in reducing pigmentation and darkness. Turmeric has natural healing and lightening properties. Mix a little turmeric powder with milk to form a paste. Apply it to your lips and leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse off for brighter lips over time. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps in flushing out toxins and keeps your lips hydrated from within. Often, dark lips can be a sign of dehydration, so keep sipping throughout the day. Avoid smoking and harsh lip products. Cigarettes contain toxins that darken lips. Opt for natural lip balms and avoid products with harsh chemicals which can worsen pigmentation. Healthy diet plays a crucial role. Incorporate fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They help in improving blood circulation and overall health, which reflects on your lips too. Be patient and consistent. Natural remedies take time, but with regular use, you can see a significant improvement in the color and texture of your lips. Your journey to brighter, healthier lips starts today.